Yeah, 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 yeah. It's been a minute last I kicked it with some real ones. Yeah, niggas in my city moving funny. I had energies around me that were bad, I couldn't feel nothing. Lately I just wanna feel something. Yeah, now it's all about me. I don't fuck with your G's. Bitches off for the streets, my shawty, she love me, that come up ain't cheap. Oh, y'all go plung with my line, but that's why they backed up on me like an athlete. I went ghost and I'm like Phantom. Couple bitches probably thought I'm handsome. Used to raw dog, I'm with my dogs. We was caught up in the dark. I was probably at a point where y'all thought this music ain't going far. That's why these niggas are starving. They put their wishes on stars. I treat my niggas like siblings, I treat all their bitches like they were my cousins, but we thug. Yeah. Came back, cool beat, still cooking in the cut. Came back, Jeeps, we still with the heat busting. Studio sessions is jumping. My nigga Blackie, he plugging, but we thug.
Out here with my niggas. You think I'm
Niggas.
trapping with some bitches?
I ain't trapping with some bitches.
I haven't been home in a minute.
I haven't been home in a minute.
I swear this year we make a killing.
I swear this shit will make a killing.
I swear that we gon' blow.
Ooh, we gon' blow.
Oh, I swear that we gon' blow.
We gon' blow.
Me and my niggas, we gon' blow.
My niggas, we gon' blow.
Oh, I swear that we gon' blow. Oh, we gon' blow. Yeah.
No, I'ma blow up at the right time. I know I'ma blow up at the right time,